Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Mabuhay ang ating Presidente. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Chief Minister Makakuwa. At this point, may we request the President to gather with the BARMM officials for the ceremonial turnover of various assistants. From the Ministry of Interior and Local Government, Minister Jordan S. Bayang to turn over the assistance worth 20 million pesos to the provinces of the Bangsamoro region for the repositioning of welfare goods and support of disaster risk reduction and management efforts, and 30 million pesos worth of assistance from the Office of the Chief Minister under the Bangsamoro Pangkabuhayan sa ating mga disadvantaged workers or B2BAD program. May we call on Governor Mujib Hataman of Basilan. Next, Governor Mamintal A. Adjo Jr. of Lanao del Sur. Governor Mamintal A. Adjo Jr. of Lanao del Sur. Next, Governor Datu O. Mastura of Maguindanao del Norte. Governor Ali M. Mitibang of Maguindanao del Sur. Lastly, Governor Ismael Aizadi of Tawi-Tawi. Thank you and congratulations to our BARMM governors.